Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show free Microsoft Office alternatives for Windows. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. In today's digital world, Microsoft Office has been the long go-to productivity suite for many users. However, if you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office for your Windows computer, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we will explore the best free Microsoft Office alternatives available for Windows. These software options offer similar functionalities to Microsoft Office, allowing you to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, all without having to pay for a subscription or license. So whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who needs to handle office tasks, these free alternatives can be a great solution. So, if you're ready to begin and discover the world of free productivity software, let's dive right in and explore the top Microsoft alternatives for Windows. Now, our first alternative, our first software, is called Apache OpenOffice. Apache OpenOffice is a free and open source office productivity suite that provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating and managing various types of documents. It is often considered as an alternative to Microsoft Office. Apache OpenOffice includes applications such as Writer or Word Processor, Calc or Spreadsheet, Impress or Presentation, Draw, Drawing in Graphics, Base, which is database, and many more. These applications offer similar functionalities to their Microsoft Office counterparts, allowing users to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, presentation, graphics, and database. As you can see here on this page over here, these are all the different product description that Apache has. As you can see here, I just told you earlier, we have Writer, a word processor that you could use for anything from writing a quick letter to producing an entire book. You could also use Calc for a spreadsheet with all the tools you need to calculate, analyze, and present your data in numeric reports. There's also Impress that allows you to create an effective multimedia presentation. Then Draw that lets you produce everything from a simple diagram to a dynamic 3D illustration. There's also features such as Base and Math over here, which allows you to manipulate databases and lets you create mathematical equations with graph user interface. Now, the roots of Apache OpenOffice go back 20 years and creating a mature and powerful product. Millions of people uses this product as an alternative for Microsoft Office because Apache OpenOffice is a free software, as you can see over here. You may download Apache OpenOffice completely for free of any license fees by simply going here on their homepage, openoffice.org, and clicking on download over here, which would allow you to download this specific application to your Windows. As you can see here, you can download full installation, you can download the language pack, and you can also have important hits for Windows 30. You could choose and download for Linux and OS as well over here. You could choose more platform over here depending on what is available for Apache. Now moving on, another software that we could use is called Zoho Docs. As you can see right now, I am currently in the Zoho Work Drive, wherein I will be able to create docs, sheets, and PowerPoints as well, as you can see here. This also serves as a similar functionality to Google Drive if you are familiar with that software of Google. As you can see here, when you click on New, we will be able to create a folder over here, for example, like this folder, just like that. And we would be able to have a folder in this section similar to Google Drive. Then we could open this and then we could create a document, as you can see here with Zoho Writer. You could use a template as well. You could also create a Zoho sheet by clicking blank sheet spreadsheet over here. You could also use a template, as same thing with Zoho Show over here. You could also upload files, upload folders, and import from cloud in this section. You could also have the screen recording, video recording, and audio recording in this Zoho platform. Now, what does their Zoho document look like? You could check it out by clicking on our Zoho Writer, and we would be redirected to the Writer page of Zoho. As you can see, this is what their document or docs looks like in Zoho. You would be able to edit your file like with the format. You could insert, add fields, edit the design, edit the page setup, change how you would like to view the page, and many more over here. It's very easy to navigate. As you can see, it's all here on the left side. You could compose it over here. You could review, you could distribute, you could share this also to other people, and all of those stuff. You could do the same thing for spreadsheet and Zoho over here. And Zoho Show over here. Now moving on, the next thing we're going to check out is called WPS. WPS, as you can see here, is a free wherein you could use it for work and many more. WPS Office Elite is a lightweight, feature-rich, comprehensive office suite with high capability as a handy and professional office software. You would be able to download this application or software by clicking on free download over here, and you would be able to use this absolutely for free. As you can see here also, these are the different functions of WPS. You would be able to see what it would look like also. This is what the writer would look like. As you can see, you would be able to type with a page on this section. You would be able to create presentations as well. As you can see here, you could create spreadsheets, and you could also edit PDFs in this section over here if you need to use PDF. You would be able to freely download this on multiple platforms. WPS is available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It's a very good platform because you would be able to also use this for your mobile phones. You will be able to WPS would be very useful for students, teachers, business users, and finance users over here. You would be able to make PDF editing. You would be able to choose from more than 100,000 of templates to make your performance stand out. You could also have a team collaboration in real time. And that's it for WPS. Now we're going to move on to FreeOffice. FreeOffice is the best alternative to Microsoft Office. This is what they are claiming on their website, so let us see if it can replace Microsoft Office. As you can see here on their homepage, you would be able to see that they will be offering a Google Sheet over here, a presentation, and a Google Docs over here on the right side. As you can see, FreeOffice is free for personal and business use. You could try out the FreeOffice and you will then undoubtedly agree that it is best alternative for Microsoft Office. You will be able to download this by simply clicking on this button over here, and you would be able to download it for your computer. There is a system requirement. As you can see here, it requires you to use Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, and Windows Server 2008 R2 or latest version. You would need a Mac OS 10.12 or later version and any 64-bit Linux for PCs. We can check out the different features over here in this section. As you can see, these are the different features that we have. We have Text Maker, Plan Maker, Presentation, and we will be seeing the comparison between each. As you can see here, the Text Maker is similar to Google Docs, is similar to Microsoft Word. Our Plan Maker is similar to Microsoft Excel, and our Presentation is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, it is very similar to how Microsoft layouts their own Microsoft applications. As you can see here, it's very similar if you are very familiar with Microsoft. And you would be able to read more information about the Text Maker, Plan Maker, and presentations over here on their website. Now moving on, we will be tackling about this more familiar platform, which is Google, and they also have their workspace over here. Personally, I've been using Google Workspace because for me it is more accessible and I would be able to use this anytime, anywhere. I would be able to use Google applications on my phone, on my computer, or anywhere I would like to access it. I would just need to log in my Google account, and I assume most of us already have a Google account to use. As you can see, the different products of Google are Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Chat over here. For Google Docs, you would be able to create documents similar to Microsoft Word, and you would be able to do the same thing for Google Sheet, similar to Microsoft Excel, and do the same thing for Google Slide, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now moving on, we would be checking out OnlyOffice over here. OnlyOffice allows you to collaborate with your team online, manage your docs, tasks, events, mails, and all in one place. As you can see here on the right side, this is like a preview of their product. We will be able to have a document hub with editors integrated, a mail aggregator and server, a simple CRM for sales management, Gantt chart, calendar, and perfect for SMB and free for cloud team of 5. We can check out their products over here. They have docs. We will be able to create a document over here. They also have a doc space, which is customizable room for document collaboration. Workspace, which is a business platform to manage your team activities, and connectors over here. You will also be able to convert your text files, convert your spreadsheets, convert your presentation, and convert your PDFs. And this is also available for desktop, iOS, and Android over here. And that's it, guys. Those are the top 3 alternatives for Microsoft Word. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.